In a small village called Haleton lived a young man named Potter. He grew up in a humble home with his family, who worked tirelessly on their small farm. Despite their hard work, they struggled to make ends meet. From a young age, Potter dreamed of a better life, one that extended beyond the boundaries of his village. He often asked himself, "How can I become wealthy?" At the age of 20, Potter decided to leave his village and venture into the big city. With only a small backpack and a handful of savings, he embarked on a journey filled with hope and determination. The city was bustling and chaotic, a stark contrast to the quiet life he was used to. Potter found a job as a waiter in a small cafe. While working at the cafe, he noticed something. Many customers struggled to get their orders delivered, especially during busy hours. This observation sparked an idea in his mind. What if I created a delivery service to help people receive their needs quickly and efficiently? Potter didn't have much money to invest, but he decided to start with what he had. He rented 2 bicycles and teamed up with a friend to offer a simple delivery service. At first, they only delivered orders from the cafe, but word of mouth quickly spread about their reliable service. The early days were tough. They faced challenges such as traffic congestion and limited resources. However, Potter's determination kept him going. He brainstormed ways to improve their operations, rented more bicycles, and hired young people looking for work. As the months passed, Potter Delivery became a well-known name in the city. The demand for his service grew, and he expanded to include food, groceries, and even medical supplies. Realizing that technology could enhance his business, he invested in developing a mobile app that allowed customers to place orders easily. Success didn't come without obstacles. Competition was fierce, and larger companies began to emerge, threatening his business. But Potter remained innovative, forging partnerships with major restaurants and stores, further establishing his place in the market. One year, the city faced a severe economic crisis that affected many businesses. Potter worried about the future of his company, but took bold steps to ensure its survival. He cut costs and strengthened collaborations with business partners. Thanks to these strategies, his company not only survived but thrived while many others closed down. Over time, Potter's delivery service became one of the largest in the country. He wasn't just financially successful. He became a role model for young people aspiring to achieve their dreams through hard work and creativity. Despite his immense success, Potter never forgot his humble beginnings. After becoming a wealthy entrepreneur, he returned to his village, Haleton, to invest in its development. He established schools and educational centers, supporting small businesses run by local youth. He often said, "True wealth is the ability to change the lives of others." Potter's journey culminated in him becoming one of the most influential business people in his country. Yet his humility and integrity earned him the respect of many. He understood that wealth was not the ultimate goal, but rather a means to create positive change in society.